Hey, thanks for coming to watch me do my edges using this edge control I found at a beauty supply store. It has a 24-hour hold and it's real good. So to achieve these edges, you must do the steps that I did. As you see, I just swooped it, placed my finger right there, and combed my hair back. I'll do the same steps to the other side and I'll let you watch. And really, that's all it is to it. Now I'm just combing my hair up to make the style look better as a whole. And this is the finished product. On to brows. I have this pomade and concealer that I will be using. And first, I will be going in with this pomade. And I'll be outlining the bottom and top of each brow. I'll let you watch this process so that you can see and learn for yourself. Now that the outline of my bottom brow is done, I'll be going in and doing the same to the top of each of my brows. Now that I have outlined my brows, I'll begin to fill them in using the same pomade. Now that my brows are blended, I will go in with my concealer to sharpen up and conceal any areas in my brows. Now, as you can see, I am repeating this step, but it's only to personalize my brows. It's all about how you want to look and how you want your brows to look. You can do them any way you want to. But this is basically the finished product of my brows. I'm just adding a few touches to make them look sharper. But thanks for watching my video. See you in the next.